Welcome to One Stop Auto Market. This is our F250, silver in color. Great work truck. Just gonna do a quick walk around. It's a long box. Nice truck. Have it at a great price. No frills to this truck. I'll start it up for you guys so you can hear the engine. A little higher on the K, but been fully serviced. So it's good on that way. Four by 4, 177,000 kilometers on a diesel, which is not too bad at all. A little extra room for the workers back there. Give us a shout at 778-246-AUTO, or send us an email and get more information on this truck. Thanks.